I'm a longtime Apple user, but Twitter has convinced me to switch to the Google Pixel for the next 2 months. Here's how it happened. Hey, have you considered switching back to a Google Pixel lately? Dude, no thanks. I've tried a Pixel before and I'm not interested. Well, hear me out. What if you asked people on Twitter to retweet a tweet, and if you reach a certain number, you'll switch to the Pixel, and you'll sell your iPhone? I'm gonna get quite a few retweets to do something like that. To be honest, I rarely get any engagement on my tweets anyway, so nothing's gonna change. It's just gonna be a pointless post. So how many retweets would you be willing to do for that? Bro, I'd be lucky if I got 10 retweets. Okay, what about 100 retweets and you're gonna sell your iPhone and switch to the Pixel? Sure, that's never gonna happen. I'm just gonna say, don't underestimate the power of Team Pixel. All right, let's do it. Just telling you, it's not gonna happen. Don't hold your breath for too long, Brinobi. It'll happen. See you later. Yep, all right, see ya. It's never gonna happen. What's the worst that could happen? So yeah, that happened. And because I'm out of my word, out goes the SIM card from my iPhone 14 Pro, and into the Pixel it goes. There we go. SIM card's in the Pixel. It's official. Thank you, Twitter. I'm now stuck on this Pixel for the next 2 months. If there's one thing I've learned about Team Pixel this week, you shouldn't underestimate them, because there's more of them than you think, and whenever they see the opportunity to make someone switch to Pixel, they take it without even thinking about it. And they're not gonna stop until every single human being on this planet has a Pixel. I'm gonna go cry now.